30 questions only today, this morning. World geography. Anybody know anything about geography? Okay, wait to the first minute and then I'll start asking the questions, okay? World geography. Give it a couple more seconds and then I'll start asking whether people are watching or not. World geography questions, 30 questions coming up. Come and play if you fancy it. These are fairly easy, these questions, so you should get at least one right. Give it a few more seconds and then I'll read some questions out. And if anybody wants to play, they can play. Give it to 1.5 minutes and that'll be it. Wait to see if anybody comes in. Hold on, I better change the chat thing because it won't work otherwise. Okay, there we go. Question 1. Which long river has white and blue tributaries? Which long river has white and blue tributaries? If you know the answer, type it in below and get a point. Which long river has white and blue tributaries? Think of a river, white and blue. It's in Africa. I'll give you a few more seconds and then I'll go on to the next one. It's a long river. It flows into the Mediterranean. Which long river has white and blue tributaries? Type your answer in to get a point. Which long river has white and blue tributaries? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the River Nile. Never mind, next question. Question 2. Yo, Hassan. Good morning, Hassan. How's Bradford today? I thought I'd do a quick quiz to see a different time to see who comes in. Okay, question 2. Which religious leader is head of state of the Vatican? Which religious leader is head of state of the Vatican? These are all geography questions today to see what happens. So which leader? Pope, well done Hassan, Pope Leo. Pope Leo, the new Pope. Okay. Is Perth on the west or east coast of Australia? Is Perth, the city of Perth, on the west or east coast of Australia? Type your answer in to get a point. Perth. The city of Perth, is it on the west coast or the east coast? Nope, it's not on the east coast. Anybody else want to guess? Hello, Ashley. Hello, Prasanna. West. Prasanna's got a point. Well done, Prasanna. Welcome to the quiz. It's on the west coast. Okay, question 4. Ooh. Which country was the centre of operations for the Taliban? Which country was the centre of operations for the Taliban? These are all geography questions today. So what country would you associate the Taliban with? Type your answer in to get a point. Hello, Ibrahim. Hassan. Hassan was first. The first person on the screen gets the point on my screen. Might be different to yours. Ibrahim's a Spurs supporter. Never mind. Okay. Does Mumbai or Tokyo have the highest population? Which one has the highest population? Mumbai or Tokyo? These are easy questions. Just type in Mumbai or Tokyo to get the answer. Which one has the highest population? Tokyo, no. Surprisingly. I suppose India. Yeah, that's right, Prasanna, yeah. Am I British? Yes. Mumbai, well done, Prasanna. Yeah, Perth is very isolated, isn't it? I'd love to go there. It's a very isolated place. Okay. This one's sort of geography. What sort of snowman is another name for the Himalayan Yeti? What sort of snowman is another name for the Himalayan Yeti? I remember reading this as a kid. I don't hear it so much these days. Yeah, but what's his begins with A, there's a word. Used to be something snowman. Bigfoot, no, that's North America. This is the Himalayas. You're probably too young for this, Hassan, because I don't really hear this term anymore. I'll read it one more time. What sort of snowman is another name for the Himalayan Yeti? Andrew, no, but the right letter. Well, pass on this one because it's quite hard. Abominable. Abominable snowman. You don't really hear that much these days. What is the world's smallest, flattest and driest... Oh, James. Well done, James. Good morning, James. You get a point for that. What is the world's smallest, flattest and driest continent? What is the world's smallest, flattest and driest continent? Prasanna will know this one. What is the world's smallest, flattest and driest continent? Continent. If you can like the quiz, it will help for future quizzes. If you can like this, please. The smallest continent, Africa, is actually a lot bigger than you think because the maps are a bit skew-whiff, aren't they? The smallest continent, the flattest and the driest. It's easier than you think. Ramsey Street. Come on, you must know that. Australia, well done, Prasanna. That's where Perth is, isn't it? Okay. This is easy, this one. Is Argentina in the north or the south of South America? Is Argentina in the north or the south of South America? These are easy questions today, as it's the morning here in the UK. No. Argentina in the north. Are you sure? South America. Is Argentina in the north or the south of South America? Have you ever seen a map? South, well done, Hassan. The tip of Argentina is near Antarctica, isn't it? It's very south. Okay, next one. Pakistan and Bangladesh both border which country? Pakistan and Bangladesh both border which country? Pakistan and Bangladesh. India. Well done, James. India was James was first. Current scores: Prasanna on 3, Hassan on 3, James on 2. Okay, next one. Where are we? Which country's name is the anagram of pure? P-U-R-E. Which country's name is the anagram of pure? P-U-R-E. Nice, easy one there. P-U-R-E. Change the letters and you get a... Well done, James. Peru. The West Indies lie in which sea? The West Indies lie in which sea? The West Indies lie in which sea? No, that's the Atlantic's an ocean. Hassan, the Caribbean Sea. Well done. I think the Atlantic Ocean goes as far as northern Cuba, and then it's the Caribbean. Okay, next one. Zambia is a neighbour of which country which also begins with Z? Zambia is the neighbour of a country which also begins with Z. Nice, easy one there. I think there's only 2 countries beginning with Z now anyway. Zimbabwe, well done, Hassan. Hassan was first on my screen. Okay, next one. Which Egyptian canal links the Red Sea and the Mediterranean? Which Egyptian canal links the Red Sea and the Mediterranean? The Nile is a river. The Suez Canal. Well done, Hassan. Okay. This is an easy one. Is Ghana on the African coast or inland? Is Ghana on the African coast or inland? I told you they were easy. So type coast or land. Inland. No. No, it's not inland. So it must be the other one. Coast. Well done, Hassan. Ghana used to be known as the Gold Coast before it became Ghana. See if you can like the quiz. It'd be good. It'd much more people to come in. Which ocean is the world's deepest? That's right, Pisani. Yeah, it used to be called the Gold Coast before in colonial days. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific. Well done, James. Well done, James. It's Pacific. Is it Ariana Trench or something? It's the deepest part of the ocean. Okay. In which country is the homeland of Zwa Zulu? In which country is the homeland of Zwa Zulu? So where did the Zulus come from? Which country? No, Zulus. Where do they come from? Kenya's more, I don't know, Swahilis and things like that. I don't know. Zanzibar? No. Zwa Zulu. Give you a clue. This country's got a flat mountain like that. We had that question yesterday, didn't we? It's got a flat mountain, this country, and the Zulus come from there. Benin? No. South Africa. Well done, Pasana. South Africa. The Zulus come from South Africa. Well done, Hassan. Okay, this is an easy one. Who is commemorated at Washington's Lincoln Memorial? Who is commemorated at Washington's Lincoln Memorial? So who would be commemorated at the Lincoln Memorial? I can't think. Who is commemorated at the Lincoln Memorial? Lincoln, yeah. Yeah, well done, Hassan. George? Yeah, it was Abraham Lincoln. Okay, which US state has the zip code AZ? Not Lincoln. You think it's not Lincoln? Who is commemorated at... No, that's the wrong one. Which US state has the zip code AZ? Which US state has the zip code AZ? Arizona. Well done, Prasanna. You've now got 5 points. New South Wales is in which country? New South Wales is in which country? This country keeps coming up on this quiz. New South Wales is in which country? Australia. Well done, James. James has got 5 points now. Okay, which African desert is the world's largest? Which African desert is the world's largest? Which African desert is the world's largest? Sahara. Well done, James. Socks with sandals. Welcome to the quiz. James is first, but welcome to the quiz. Keep playing. Is Swaziland a monarchy or a republic? Is Swaziland, now called Eswatini, is Swaziland or Eswatini a republic or monarchy? Type in republic or monarchy for the points. No, it's not a republic. Monarchy. Well done, Prasanna. And I'll give Socks with Sandals a point as well there, because you were quick. Well done, Socks. Okay, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest point of which continent? Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest point of which continent? Where is Mount Kilimanjaro? Africa. Well done, James. Well done, Socks. Which river runs through Belgrade, Budapest and Vienna? Which river runs through Belgrade, Budapest and Vienna? Which river? A famous river. The Danube. Well done, Socks. You're getting quicker. The Danube. Which ocean lies to the east of South America? Which ocean lies to the east of South America? So I think Rio will be on this ocean. Places like that. Buenos Aires. Atlantic. Well done, Socks. You're doing well, Socks. Okay. Got a few more questions to go and then I'm going to work. Which Islamic Republic used to be called Persia? Hello, BH. Which Islamic Republic used to be called Persia? Which Islamic... Iran. Well done, Socks. Yeah, Persia used to be Iran. Well done, Hondrade. Thanks for playing. Difficult questions, BH. These are easy questions. Some of the answers are the same every time. 2/3 of Greenland lies in which circle? 2/3 of Greenland lies in which circle? Come on, BH, you can get this one. 2/3 of Greenland lie in which circle? The Arctic. Well done, Socks. Socks is now on 5 points and could potentially win this. But there's only 4 questions left. The Circle of Doom. Difficult questions for Americans, BH. I'll tell you what, BH, this one's easy. Is Namibia in northern or southern Africa? Is Namibia in northern or southern Africa? Come on, you can get that one. So type northern or southern. Namibia. Southern. Well done, James. Oh, thanks, Pasana. Thanks for playing. Subscribe. I'll be doing more quizzes soon. Thank you very much, Pasana. You got 6 points in the end. In which country in Europe could you spend a forint? In which country in Europe could you spend a forint? F-O-R-I-N-T. F-O-R-I-N-T. They may have changed to the euro since then, I don't know. But the forint. F-O-R-I-N-T. Slovakia. No, that's close. That's close, Socks. Too difficult for Americans. Okay, BH, I'll do a bonus question in a minute if you hang about. BH, what did you try to say there? Hungary? Not Czechia, not Slovenia. It's not Serbia. Yes, BH. BH has got a point. It's Hungary. Okay, bonus question, just for BH. What is the capital of America, BH? What is the capital of America? What is the capital of USA? Washington, D.C. Well done, James. Okay, right, 2 questions to go, then I'm going out. Which country has the world's largest population? Which country has the world's largest population? A nice easy one there. India. Well done, Socks. Okay, last question of the day. It used to be China. Hello, Oinks, Onyx Orion. It used to be China, but now it's India because China have this one-child policy or did for years, so their population's not growing. Okay, Alberta is a province of which country? Alberta is a province of which country? Alberta is a province of which country? Canada. Well done, Socks. That is the end of the quiz. I'll read out the scores now. BH got 1 point. Prasanna got 6. Socks got 7. Hassan got 8. And today's winner with 9 is James. So Socks, if you want to see more quizzes, please subscribe and I'll be back another time. Thanks for everyone for playing. And some good scores there, very competitive. Okay then, I hope you have a good day. I'll be back another time. Well done, James, for winning again. That's your 2nd or 3rd trophy, I think. Thanks for coming in, Onyx. And I'll do more quizzes soon, so hopefully you'll come in earlier next time. Too difficult for Americans. Well, BH, I don't always do geography quizzes. I do other quizzes too, so maybe next time you'll find it a bit easier. Okay, see you later, everyone. Take care.